Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what that is. You can try this yourself by going to the link in the description, and when you think you've got an answer, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. 0 gives us 0. How about a 1? 1 gives us 3.5. Okay, how about a 2? So 7. So far this looks linear. It looks like it went up 3.5 spaces for each space we went over. Let's see if that continues by putting in a 3. We should get 10.5, so it'll be off the graph. Okay, that is 10.5. So far we've got something that looks linear. So I'm thinking this either is linear, it is a line, or maybe it's an absolute value function and it's going to turn sharply at some point and go in the other direction. So let's put some negative numbers in here, see if it turns over on the left. Oh, no, so that one went down 3.5 spaces again, so that looks like it's continuing the linear pattern. Let's try -2. And let's do -3. It'll be off the graph, I think. Yeah, down at -10.5. So at least where this line intersects with our graph, we've definitely got a linear function here. So I think we can be pretty confident in that. So to write the function, we'd say f of x equals, and then, it's m, that's the slope, times x plus b, and b is the y-intercept. The y-intercept here is 0. It crosses the y-axis at 0. So it's just going to be some multiplier times the x, and the multiplier is the slope. And what we've said is that it's going up, so it's going to be a positive slope, 3.5 spaces when it goes over 1. And another way to write that is 7/2. So think about this. It's rise over run. So it's going to go up 7. So 3.5, there's 7 as it goes over 2. So that would be a nice simple fraction to use. And I think that's it. F of x equals 7/2 times x. You might want to just plug something in to try this out. Let's put in, let's say, a -2. So we would have 7/2 times -2. -2 is nice because the 2's cancel. It just leaves the negative sign times the 7. So that should give us a -7 at -2. And boom, there it is. So I think we've got this. Let's take a look. And there it is. F of x equals 7/2 x. And we can graph that. Nice, steep, upward sloping line. Well, how did that go for you? Did you get the correct slope? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.